Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are very well at your places. I welcome you all in your maths class. Okay students, as you know we are doing chapter number 8 and in the last session we learnt about circle, how to draw a circle and its parts. Its parts means the radius of circle, what is the diameter of the circle and circumference of the circle. What is the circumference? Yes, boundary of the circle is called circumference of the circle. And what is the relation between radius and diameter? Okay, tell me. Yes, what is the diameter? Diameter is the twice of radius. Okay, tell me, if radius is 7, then what will be the diameter? 14. Very good. 14 centimeter. If radius is 10 centimeter, then what will be the diameter? Yes. 2 tens are 20 centimeter. And students, if diameter is given, now if diameter is given, then what will be the radius of a circle? Yes, the radius is the half of the diameter. Now diameter is 20, then what will be the radius? Yes, 10 centimeter. If diameter is 8 centimeter, then what will be the radius? Yes, it is 4 centimeter. Okay, and our next exercise 8.5, which is about 3D shape, three-dimensional figures, just like a cube, cuboid, which I have already discussed with you. Okay, no need to do in your notebook. You can do it only in book. Okay, as I told, we are not going to do the exercise 8.6. So students, in today's class, we will discuss exercise 8.7. Okay? Okay. Tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a notebook. And what is the shape of this notebook? Yes, the shape of notebook is rectangle. Okay, students, if I want to decorate this notebook with the colorful tape, I want to decorate its boundary. Okay, just in the same way. See here the blue tape, I want to decorate with another tape also. Okay, tell me, how can I come to know this much tape is required, or you can say that 20 centimeter tape is required or 22 centimeter tape is required. How can we come to know this much tape is required to decorate this notebook? Yes, think about it. How can we come to know? What is our requirement? Yes, by measuring the all sides of this notebook. Yes, student, and calculating the boundary. Calculating the boundary, or you can say the length around a rectilinear figure is called the perimeter of the figure. In the simple words, you can say, when we have to calculate the boundary of any rectilinear figure. Rectilinear figure means the figure made by the line segments, or you can say the polygon, not curved. I am just asking for the rectilinear figure, means a figure made by the line segments, not a curved figure is there. Okay, so in this exercise we will learn about perimeter. Okay, perimeter. Perimeter means the total distance of all sides of a closed plane figure. Plane figure means flat figure. Flat figure means 2D figures, or you can say polygon or rectilinear figures. Or how can we find the perimeter? The sum of lengths of all sides of a closed figure. See how? See, this is a one figure, any rectilinear figure. This figure is made up by the line segments A, B, C, D, E, F, and this is 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Okay. See, you have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means we have to calculate the its boundary. See, how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to add the length of these 6 line segments to find its perimeter. So, P means perimeter. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE, then EF, then come to FA. AB, BC, CD, DE, EF and FA. Okay. What is the measurement of AB? 3 centimeter plus BC 1, then CD 2, then DE 2, then EF 1, then FA 3. Now add them. 3 and 1 4, 4 into 6, 6 into 8, 8 and 1 9, 9 and 3 12, 12 centimeter. The perimeter of this figure is 12 centimeter. Perimeter means calculating the boundary. Find the length of the boundary of any rectilinear figure. Okay. I will discuss one more example with you. See. Now see this example. We have to find the perimeter of this figure. And what is the shape of this figure? Yes, this is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5-sided figure. It means it is called pentagon. And you have to find the perimeter. It means we have to add the length of all its sides. First is AB. AB, then BC plus CD, then DE, then EA. AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. Okay. What is the length of AB? 2 centimeter. Then BC 1, CD 2, DE 1 and EA 2. Add them. 2 and 1 3, 3 and 2 5, 5 and 1 6, 6 and 2 8, 8 centimeter. It means the perimeter of this pentagon is 8 centimeter. I hope the concept of perimeter is clear to everyone. Now we will discuss how to find perimeter of rectangle and square. See students, what is the shape of this figure? Yes, it is rectangle. It is rectangle. Now I will tell you how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Yes, you can do it directly also, but there is a formula also. Now you are in 4th standard, you have to learn some formulas also. See, perimeter. How can, as you know, in the rectangle opposite sides are equal. See, this is the length and this length equal to this one. And see, this is the width, or you can say the breadth, and this breadth is equal to this one. Opposite sides are equal. AB equal to DC and BC equal to DA, and we have to add them. So see, this is the suppose L. L means length, then B, then again L, then B. See, L plus B plus L plus B. How many times L is repeated? 2 times. It means 2L. And how many times B is repeated? 2 times. So, I am taking 2 as a common. Yes, 2 into L plus B. This is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. 2 into L plus B. L means length and B means breadth. And now see the simple. You just apply this formula and you can find the perimeter of rectangle. See, I am taking one example. If length is 15 centimeter, okay, and breadth of rectangle is 10 centimeter, and your question is find its perimeter. So, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. L is length, B is breadth. First of all, you have to add them, then multiply by 2. See, 2 into, what is the length? Length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 10. 2, 10 plus 15, 25. Now 2 multiply 25, 50. So the perimeter of rectangle whose length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter, whose perimeter is 50 centimeter. Is it clear to you? How to find the perimeter of rectangle? You can find directly by adding them, but you should learn the formulas. Okay, what is the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. And what is L? L means length. And what is B? B means breadth. 2 into L plus B. Because these type of question will come in 1 marks. In MCQs also, sometime in fill-ups also. Okay, so that's why you should learn this formula, and I have already discussed how we can derive this. ये कैसे आया ये आपको मैंने अभी बताया है ना. I hope it is clear to you. Okay students, now let's learn how to find the perimeter of a sphere. See, what is this? This is the sphere, and in sphere all sides are equal. See, suppose if this length is the 2 centimeter, then it must be also 2 centimeter. This side must be 2 centimeter and this side must be 2 centimeters, because we know in sphere all sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Okay, and yes, you can do it directly also, but you should know the formulas also, because in your MCQs and fill-ups these type of question will come. See, perimeter. Now perimeter of sphere. P means perimeter. Perimeter of sphere. Suppose the length of this side, this line segment is S. S, then plus S, plus S, plus S. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times S is repeated? 4. So 4 multiply S. Here S is the side of a sphere, or simply you can say 4 multiply by side of sphere. This is the formula for finding the perimeter of a sphere, because when one side of a sphere is given, it means all sides are the same. Okay, I am taking one example. Your question is find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of a sphere whose side is 8 centimeter. Now side is, what is the side? 8 centimeter, and we have to find the perimeter. What is the formula? We have derived now, na? What is the formula for finding the perimeter of a sphere? 4 into side. It means 4 multiply by side, and what is the length of side? 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32 centimeters. I hope it is clear to you. Okay students, I hope that the concept of the perimeter is clear to you, and the formulas of how to find the perimeter of rectangle and sphere is clear to everyone. And before starting this exercise, exercise 8.7, you have to write these three things in your notebook. See, what is the perimeter? The simple thing, how can you find the perimeter? Is the sum of the lengths of the all sides of a figure. I'm just talking the plain figure or rectilinear figures. And what is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth. L indicates here length of rectangle and B breadth of rectangle. And perimeter of square, 4 into S, and S means the side of square. Okay, and you have to do the three sums of this is your today's homework. You have to do the first, second and third question in your notebook. First part I will discuss with you, and rest of the parts you have to do it yourself. Okay. Question number first. Find the perimeter of the following figures. The first figure is there in this shape. A, B, C, D. 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. You have to find the perimeter of this figure. It means, what is the perimeter? We don't have any formula for this figure. Okay, perimeter means sum of all sides of figure. So we will add them. How many sides? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay, what is the length of AB? 8 centimeter. BC 4, CD 6 and DA 5. Now add them. 8 and 4, 12. 12 and 6, 18. 18 and 5, 23 centimeter. So the perimeter of this figure is 23 centimeter. And rest of the two parts you have to do it yourself. Okay. See the question number 2. Your question is saying find the perimeter of rectangle whose length, L means length is a 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter, and you have to find the perimeter. Okay, tell me what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle? Yes, 2 multiply L plus B, and first of all you have to add them. You have to add length and breadth, then multiply by 2 because they are repeating twice. Okay, 2. What is the length? 5 centimeter. And what is the breadth? 3 centimeter. 5 and 3. 5 plus 3, 8. And 2 eggs are 16 centimeter. So your answer is the perimeter of this rectangle whose length is the 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter is 16 centimeter. Okay, now see the question number 3rd. Find the perimeter of the sphere whose side is 4 centimeter. The side is 4 centimeter. And how can you find the perimeter? Perimeter of sphere. How can you find? What is the formula for finding the perimeter of sphere? Yes, 4 multiplied by side. The length of the side, 4. What is the side? What is the length of the side? It's also 4. 4 4s are 16 centimeter. Your answer is 16 centimeter. Okay students, now I have discussed with you one part of each question, and rest of the parts you have to do it yourself. I hope it is clear to everyone. What is the perimeter? How can you find the perimeter of a rectangle and sphere? And rest of the question we will discuss tomorrow. Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.